To begin on the homepage, on the left-hand side in the course navigation, you may see discussions if your instructor has turned it on. If not, it'll be in the assignments. Select the discussion that you're going to be working with. Read the instructions and the prompt. Once you have decided how you're going to reply, click the reply button. You may choose to add text to the text box. If you're doing a video reply, select the Options button, then Upload Record Media. If you already have a file, drag and drop the file here. Otherwise, click the Record button. If this is your first time, click the Allow button. Once the camera goes live, you may select your microphone or which camera you want to select with. Then you can make your recording. Once your recording is done, click Finish. Then you must enter in a title and click Save Media. The video will render, and then if you're happy with it, click Post Reply. Thank you.